back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. And in today's video we are going to review the Weikfield Pasta Sporty Energy. So guys, this is a pasta from Weikfield, which is a new brand in India, and they are into the pasta business and they have various flavors of pasta, and today we are going to review the cheesy creamy pasta from Weikfield. So let's get down to the review of the product. So guys, this pasta comes packaged in a pouch like this, in a plastic pouch here, and right here on top you can see the Wekifield branding, the Wekifield logo here, and the name of the product is pasta Sporty Energy is written here. Here it says pasta in minutes is written here, and this is the flavor, which is cheesy creamy flavor pasta. So this is cheesy flavor pasta. The net weight of the package is 64 grams. And yeah, that is the thing that's on the front of the package. Here they have shown the illustration of the pasta, which looks very yummy. Moving on to the back side, here again there's a Wekifield pasta branding here, Sporty Energy, cheesy creamy. Benefits of durum wheat pasta. So yeah, the main thing about this is not made of maida. It's not made from refined flour. It's made from durum wheat, which is known to be healthier than maida. So it is like a durum wheat pasta, which is like a whole wheat pasta. What are the benefits of having durum wheat? Is basically it is rich in protein. It contains complex carbohydrates, so it releases slow release of energy. So it is good for people with diabetes. It's a non-sticky pasta because the pasta that you cook from maida becomes sticky. The durum wheat pasta is non-sticky, where it doesn't become sticky. Those are the benefits of it. Coming to the nutritional facts, they are given the nutritional facts here. On the right hand side, they have mentioned directions of making the pasta. It's very simple to make. You just need to take a vessel, add a packet of pasta to it. You need to boil 250 ml of water and 50 ml of milk. Add the pasta to the water and milk mixture, and add the taste maker that comes along with the packet, and then continue to cook it for 7 minutes and your delicious pasta will be ready. So very simple to make. Let's see the ingredients of it. The pasta that you get here is durum wheat semolina pasta. Then you get a packet of saucemaker along with it, which contains milk solids, wheat flour, salt, corn flour, cheese powder, dehydrated vegetables, herbs, and anti-caking agents. It contains added natural, nature identical and artificial flavoring substances like oregano flavor, cheese flavor, milk flavor, butter flavor. The shelf life of the product is 9 months from manufacturing, and the MRP of the Weikfield pasta is Rs 25. So very affordable, Rs 25 for a pack of pasta, because today a pack of noodles which is unhealthy is also available in that same range, like 15 to 20 rupees. So why don't you go for something healthier, which is a Weikfield pasta, which is made from durum wheat, which is much healthier than having maida noodles. So yeah, let's go ahead and unpack this and see what do we get inside. So here we go, we are just going to tear it open. Let's see what do we have inside. Yeah, I just torn it open. So first of all, here is the pasta. I'll just show you how it looks. This is a durum wheat pasta. Small bits of pasta here we have here. You can see that. And this is durum wheat pasta. That's that. And apart from pasta, what we get in the packet is the Wekifield pasta maker, pasta sauce maker. So this is like the masala that you get in your noodles. So you get a pasta sauce maker along with it, which gives it that creamy flavor. So this has all the herbs and the flavoring in it, and it has milk solids, wheat flour, corn flour, cheese powder, and all the taste that comes to the pasta is from this thing. So we get a sauce maker packet and a packet full of pasta here. So let's go ahead and prepare the Wekifield pasta cheesy creamy flavor. Here we have 250 ml of water we are kept for boiling here, and in that water what we are going to do is we are going to add some 50 ml of milk. So this is 250 ml of water. Once it comes to boil, we'll add some milk. And now we are going to add some milk here. We are going to let it boil. Now at this point we need to add the pasta in it and then get the whole mixture to a boil. So we have added the pasta into it. Now we'll quickly add the saucemaker as well. Mixture has come to a boil, and now we'll just give it a nice stir, and we will cook it up for 7 minutes now on low flame. This is a creamy cheesy pasta from Weikfield. It's made from durum wheat, and right now we are going to do a taste test of this pasta. It has a very nice aroma, a cheesy aroma has filled the room. So I just can't wait to taste it right now. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the Weikfield cheesy creamy pasta. This is a taste test of the creamy cheesy pasta from Weikfield. This is made from durum wheat, and here goes the taste test. Very cheesy, very yum. Very yum. Definitely a nice one from Wekifield here. It has a nice cheesy flavor to it. You get the flavor of the herbs in it. So very nice and cheesy here. So a definite recommendation from me, if you feel like having cheesy pasta, do try the Wekifield cheesy pasta. It has an amazing flavor. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.